In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this plus at the bottom left corner of message section. And firstly, to take a photo and add it, hit camera. Now make sure to click on photo if it's not already on and use all of those options available on the right. Then take a pic and wait. If you want to retake it, hit retake at the top left corner. If you want to edit it, use those two options here. Now, if you want to save your changes, hit done at the top right corner. To discard them, hit cancel at the top left one. Finally, to send your photo right away, tap on this arrow. To only add it to your message, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my photo was successfully added. If you want to add a photo from your device, click on the same plus and this time select Photos. Now you can choose them from Photos or Collections sections. Just tap on the chosen ones and click on the check mark at the top right corner. If you can't find any photo, you can tap on Photos and use those searching tools at the bottom. Those three dots to pick one of those options, like filter, or this magnifying glass to type in a keyword. Then tap on the photo and click on the check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!